Roof leaks are common in Meridian, Idaho. It can cause many things, such as weather, age, and wear and tear. They can also be expensive to fix. It is essential to get it fixed as soon as possible if you have a roof leak. Otherwise, the damage will only get worse. And the longer you wait to fix it, the more expensive it will be. There are a few things you can do to prevent leaks in the first place. For example, make sure your gutters are clean and in good condition. And if you live in an area with severe weather conditions, consider getting a roof inspection once a year. If you have a roof leak, getting it repaired as soon as possible is essential to avoid further damage. If you're a Meridian homeowner, the last thing you want to deal with is a roof leak. But if you find yourself in this situation, it's essential to know how much it will cost to repair. Leaks come in various factors, including weather damage, old age, or poor maintenance. No matter the cause though, they can be expensive to fix. The repair cost will depend on the size and severity of the leak. A roof leak can cause a lot of damage to your home if it is not repaired quickly. Water can seep into your walls and ceiling, causing mold and mildew to grow. It can also damage your insulation and electrical wiring. If you have a roof leak, getting it repaired as soon as possible is essential to avoid further damage.